to tell you a story about a community. A community that once enjoyed tremendous progress because they all sang and danced to the same rhythm of drum, leaving behind ethnic and religious differences. But this day, something went wrong.
My good people!
Yes!
I welcome you all to this annual festival we have all been waiting for.
Thank you!
As you all know, one of your leaders will play this drum as usual.
Thank you, Mama. You have said well as usual. We all know that this time it is my turn to play this drum.
Hey, that kind way. This time I will play it.
This drum is for all of us, but I will play it.
Kai, walai talai. It is me that will play this drum.
You that will play the drum, Abi.
Hey, give me, give me.
My people, see what they have done, and they know the implications of their actions. Without this drum, there won't be peace in this community. What must be done?
My people,
Mama, sorry.
look at what you've done.
I'm sorry.
Anyways, all hope is not lost.
Tell us.
Let us take this drum and go and fix it together. But it doesn't matter who plays the drum. What matters most is that the drum is played.
Mama, anybody can play this drum. Anybody can play it.
Okay.
Anybody can play it.
Let's take this drum and go and fix it. Follow me.
Thank you.
Now, my people, we know that with unity, peace shall reign.
Now, let us roll the drum of peace as we celebrate this.